Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to bring your WordPress website to life with interactive 3D models. We're using the Elementor 3D Model Viewer plugin. So how does it work? It's simple. This plugin adds a custom widget to Elementor that uses Google's Model Viewer technology. It handles all the heavy lifting, like rendering 3D graphics in the browser, so you don't have to write a single line of code. It even lets you upload 3D files directly to your media library. GLB is a modern 3D file format that includes models, textures, and animations in a single file. You can download GLB models from Sketchfab or Polypizza, or create your own using Blender and export them as GLB files. You can download the add-on from the link in the video description. Start by downloading and installing the plugin on your WordPress site. After activation, the plugin automatically enables support for GLB files, so you're ready to upload and use 3D models right away. Open your page in Elementor and search for 3D Model Viewer. Drag it onto your page. In the Content tab, select your model file. You'll see it appear instantly. Next, let's make it look professional. You can adjust the viewer size, enable a transparent background, add rounded corners, turn on auto rotation, allow camera controls, disable zoom, and fine-tune lighting using shadow intensity, exposure, and environment image options. Want to change the reflections? Use the environment image setting. You can choose neutral, legacy, or even upload your own custom HDR environment URL to change the entire lighting mood of your 3D space. Let's save the changes and preview the 3D model on the live page. Our 3D model is now live on the page. Visitors can interact with it by rotating, zooming, and exploring it from different angles, creating a more engaging and immersive experience. The viewer is fully responsive, so it looks great on both desktop and mobile devices. Now for this tutorial, I'm going to try a few different models so you can see how they look and behave on your page. That's it. You now have a fully interactive 3D model running inside Elementor. It's responsive, easy to use, and a great way to make your website stand out. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like the video and subscribe for more WordPress and Elementor tutorials. Thanks for watching.